December 2025, barangay Bske election. So, since nothing has been changed yet, there is election.
It will push through.
It will push through. Till and when Congress, both houses of Congress, will say nga, wala. Pero karon wa mo man na, wa mo may klaro. So, padayon sa election.
Aksyon Balita!
Election, kami diferensya. Because kami from the House, House of Representatives, for everybody to know about, we only have one Congress. We divided the two.
Lower and upper.
If you call it the lower, we usually call it the lower and upper. But in the Philippines, we call it the Senate and the House of Representatives. So, if you talk about the House of Representatives, which I belong, which I am the chair of Committee on Local Government, i-approve na mo muna, no, na committee level, ang 6 years term, no, 6-year term for only maximum 2 consecutive. Yeah, supposedly wala election wrong December. Padayon first election will be on it's 2029. Oh, 2020, yeah, 2029.
29?
Oh, 29. Oh, 29. Oh. So,
Extended.
to be extended. But ang Senado lahi may ila. They want to bring it out to 4 years. No, 4 years on 2 terms lang yapon. Diba karon 3 years, 3 terms. They want to bring it down to 4 years, 2 terms. Then they want elections on 2025. So, but wala pa finality ila. So, how can you finish it in 12 days? So, nagkapakain ng contract. So, laktod pagastolte, as far as we are concerned today, there is going to be a barangay election. As of today.
It's possible.
No,
that
because the law says we are going to have an election on December 2025, barangay Bske election. So, since nothing has been changed yet, there is election.
it will push through.
It will push through. Till and when Congress, both houses of Congress, will say nga, wala. Pero karon wa mo man na, wa mo may klaro. So, padayon sa election. Mura wa mo man na usog, wa mo na repeal. So, padayon na. So, na-election. Ang Balaod resulti as of today, na-election. Barangay elections. An Bske. Around December, I don't know the name, I forgot the name, the date. That is going to be December of this year.
2029.
December 5? Kasi December 5, 20 na, padayon.
Aksyon Balita! Walay pugong-pugong bubulgar sa kamatuuran sa kanginan.